Welcome back to Better Arizona. I'm Sarah Karlstrom. Today we're going to be talking about something many men find so embarrassing they won't even talk about it, but it affects a lot of them. We're talking about breast reduction for men. I'm with Dr. Richard Fisher from Peoria Cosmetic Surgery, and we're talking about something that a lot of people have never even heard of, breast reduction for men. Is this really a problem?
About 15% of the male population have female-looking breasts, and have had it from, the time of puberty. Their breasts enlarge because of the way they metabolize estrogen, female hormone, and it's basically genetic. And this becomes a very embarrassing thing for a lot of men. And the reason people don't hear about it is because they hide it. This is not something that men want to talk about.
And this is not an issue of someone, say, being overweight or how did this happen. You say it's genetic. They just were born this way.
Well, there's actually a few different forms that this can take. Weight gain will actually make this worse. Usually what happens is that a man notices that as he's reaching puberty, he notices his breasts start to enlarge a little bit more and become more noticeable under his t-shirt. If they gain weight, these will enlarge further. Later on in life, men who put on a lot of weight will develop large breast deposits of fat, and they will look female-like as well.
And doctor, you're saying this is very, very embarrassing for them. Do they tell their wives, their girlfriends, their sisters, or they're just constantly covering up and hiding? Constantly
covered up and hiding. Most women who marry men with this problem don't even know that it exists. They keep it from them. The common thing that I hear when patients come in, my wife didn't think I needed this.
Really?
Because she never noticed it.
What is the surgical procedure? Is it in and out? What is the recovery?
The surgery is an outpatient procedure. It takes us approximately 2 hours. We do it under local anesthetic with minimal conscious sedation. It's very comfortable surgery. Post-op recovery is very, very quick. We put the men in a garment that holds the chest tissue down for a couple of weeks, but they're up and around the next day and can do pretty well whatever they want almost immediately.
And we're looking at before and after pictures right now that are very dramatic. What kind of change does this make for a man once the surgery is done? Is this really life-changing?
Life-changing, to say the least, especially for younger men who have had to hide this hide this in the locker room. For older men, one of the most common things I've heard is, why didn't I do this before?
And that's what I'm saying. If moms are watching and this could be a problem with their son, at what age can you do this? If you do it young, does it last a lifetime or?
Oh yes, yes. Once that tissue is gone, it rarely comes back. It can come back under certain select circumstances, but for the most part, once it's gone, it's gone. We've done it as young as 14 and as old as mid-60s.
And one more thing I wanted to say, Dr. Fisher, I know because they are embarrassed. You even at Peoria Cosmetic Surgery, you let them come in the back way, right? They're not embarrassed by coming here.
They are embarrassed to the point where they'll get undressed in front of me, but they sure don't like getting undressed in front of my staff.
Well, fantastic information, something a lot of us have never even heard about. If you want some more information, you can go to their website at peoriacosmeticsurgery.com. You can also give them a call at 623-876-9494. Dr. Richard Fisher, thank you for the information. Appreciate it. And Better Arizona will be right back.